Hello.
Hello عبد الرحمن. عليكم السلام ورحمة الله. Yalla, this time you can read question number 12. Of course, we're gonna wait maybe a couple of minutes before we start, okay? This one.
Okay. Mister, I'll just go for 3 minutes, then I'll come back.
Don't worry. Okay. Yeah, maybe we start after 2 or 3 minutes, inshallah. 33. Okay. We have a lot of students that they should be with us in this competition. So maybe you can tell your friends for the next week to join us, okay? And of course, we're gonna stop next week, Sunday and Monday. And we're gonna restart from, inshallah, third semester. And as usual, if you have any question, you can ask by chatting or by raising your hand. And read this given. And you got the answer, raise your hand. Okay, if you got the answer, okay. Okay, let's start now. 35 now. Yellow, Sama, can you read the given, please?
All right. Maryam wants to walk 5 kilometers on average each day in March. At bedtime, on 16th March, she realized that she had walked 94 kilometers so far. What distance does she need to walk on average for the remaining days to achieve her target?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Osama. Yeah. Who got the answer?
Is the answer C?
It's 5.4.
Okay, it's not about answers, it's about how you discover the right answer. Okay, even you choose the wrong answer, I want to know how you think about this answer and how you solve this question. Okay, but please raise your hand, then I choose one of you. Don't be scared if your answer is not correct. Okay. Who's gonna give me the answer? Yalla, come on, guys. Raise your hand. It is Noura. Yalla.
I have a question, I have a question.
Yes. Yes, Noura.
So Maria wants to walk 5 kilometers on average each day, but they never mentioned her month, her target. They said she walked 95 kilometers so far, but they never mentioned.
Excellent question. Okay, but your answer, okay, is in the first expression. this one, from here to here. You must know their target. How many kilometers must she walk? Only from the first expression.
Is it 5?
No, because 5 kilometers on what, Yanura? On?
Average each day.
Yes, each day. Your question must be, how many what?
How many
what?
months?
No. How many what, Nora?
Days.
How many days? In which month? In which month, ya Nora?
March.
In March. How many days in March? Do you know?
31.
31. Excellent. So she won. Yalla, now repeat the first expression with your idea now, with your information.
Maryam,
I think she don't walk 5 kilometers each day, because 5 by 31 is not like
Wait,
one of the
Osama. Yeah, Osama, please raise your hand. Okay, you are raising your hand. Let me hear Nora, then we will talk, okay? Yalla, just 1 minute. Yalla, Nora. So.
Okay. So she wants to walk 5 kilometers on average each day in March.
Okay.
So,
which is equal to how many kilometers?
95.
95? How do you get the answer?
No, here, because you said we're gonna multiply 5 kilometers and 31 days, but she stopped at bedtime.
Okay. I don't, Nora, pay attention now. I don't know, I don't want to say but. Okay, stay in the first expression, only the first line. Mariam wants to walk how many kilometers on average? 5 kilometers each day. In which month? In March. Okay, for the first expression, how many kilometers want to walk? Mariam, 5, no, 5 on average each day. If she walk, Mariam, each day 5 kilometers in 31 days, how many kilometers does she walk?
That was correct. We multiply 5.
Yes, exactly. Okay, 5 times 31, it's gonna be equal to what? 155.
155.
Excellent. So 155, what the units of this number? 155 what?
Kilometers.
Excellent. Now you can start by the next expression at that time on what? On which day?
March.
Okay, so we have here now from 1 to 16 March, she walked how many kilometers?
5.
90? No.
95.
Yeah, excellent. 95 kilometers. Okay?
Okay.
Now for the question. Now you can start. Okay? We must stop. Okay, this is for everyone. Okay? Okay, students. Dima, Abdulrahman, Turkestani, Abdulrahman Ahmad, Ala, Rand, Jude, Layan, Maha. Okay? We must always start from the first expression, and we must finish every time in the dot. So if I want to start here, I start with Mariam and I stop here. This is the first idea. The second idea, from at bedtime to so far. This is the second idea. And the third idea, this is the question, what to her target? We have 3 information, 2 information and 1 question, 2 idea and 1 question. Okay, we must always, in any question, we must start by the first expression, then the second expression, then the third expression. Okay, so 5 times 31 equal to 155 kilometers. from 1 to 60 March, she walked 95 kilometers. The question is, what distance does she need to walk? What, ya Noura? I will stay with Noura.
I just want to add something.
Yes.
Yeah?
Okay, Osama. Yalla.
I calculated. I multiplied 16 by 5. So in 16 days, she should have been she should have walked for 80 kilometers. Not 95. So I think more.
No,
It says on
Osama.
average, so
No.
like it's not always 5. It can be more than.
No. She wants to walk 5 kilometers on average, but in 16 she discovered that he walked not 18 that you say. She walked what? 95 kilometers. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And she make a schedule, yeah, Osama. Okay. She make a schedule for her. Okay, I want to walk 5 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 5 kilometers. Okay, but for example, 16 March, she discovered what, yeah, Osama? She discovered that she realized that what? She walked 95 kilometers, not 80. Okay? Now, after she make her schedule, she want to what? To reschedule again from 16 March to what? To 31. With the same what, Osama? With the same average, 5 kilometers per day. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yalla. We'll continue with Noura.
Yes.
Yalla, Noura. We want to know, okay, the distance does she need to walk on average? It means if each day till the end of March. Okay?
Okay.
Right.
She
Yalla.
has 14 days left to go. Like
She have what? How many days?
14 days left.
Why 14?
31 minus. Oh wait, 15 days.
Okay, excellent. So 31 minus 16 is gonna be 15 days. So 15 days. Okay, now.
Now from 15 days.
For how many kilometers? This 15 days. He must. Noura. She must.
Goal is 155.
Yeah, she must. Okay, wait. Noura, she must walk 155 till 16 March. She walk how many kilometers? 95. Okay, what the difference between the two numbers?
You can subtract.
Yes, 155 minus 95, and gonna be what?
Wait. 60.
Okay, sorry. Okay, yes, exactly. So it's gonna be 60 what kilometers? And here we have 15 what days?
Days.
Okay. So now we want to know the kilometers per day. Yeah.
Okay.
If we have 60 kilometers and 50 days. Yeah.
You can divide.
Excellent. Excellent. Okay, this is like the ratio. I think you get the ratio this semester. Okay, it's about to calculate the ratio. So it's gonna be 60 kilometers divided by 50 days. And our answer is gonna be 4 kilometers, 4 kilometers by day.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. Because we divide 60 by 15 equals 4.
Excellent. Yeah, excellent. Any question? Rand, do you have any question? You are raising your hand? No.
No, I don't have.
Okay. Anyone? Does anyone have any question? Any missing idea?
No, it's
I
understood.
repeat, it's not about to find the right answer directly. No. If we choose the wrong answer, okay, it's not about the right or the wrong answer. It's about the idea. It's about how to find the wrong or the right answer. Okay? Yalla, let's go now. Maybe I will give you this one. Yalla, we will read this one. I'm gonna give you this question, number 13, as a homework. Okay, for next week. Okay? Abdurrahman, can you read this question?
Which of the following shows that what would you see when the object in the diagram is viewed from above?
Okay. This is about space. Do you know what space? Okay, so this is called tetrahedron. Okay, this is called tetrahedron. We draw it like this. This one. This is the base of tetrahedron. Then we have point from there upstairs. Go like this. Okay. Then maybe we can make it like this. Okay. This is called tetrahedron. Okay. This in this part. This is called like pyramid, okay, because the base here, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a quadrilateral, okay? Let's make it A, B, C, and D, okay? A, B, C, D, okay, is quadrilateral, and you have the points does not belong to the plane of A, B, C, and D. Okay, our question here is, which of the following shown, A, B, C, D, and E? Okay, if we see this diagram, this object is viewed by what? By above. Okay, do you know? You know that we have above and below. Okay, we want to see this object from what? From above. Okay, this is your work for the next week. Okay, I think all of you have the answer or the question. Okay, who gonna ask? Noura?
No, but
Okay,
yes,
Osama.
so
Yeah.
they want us to see like from above.
Yes.
So these lines, there's some of them that are in bold, some of them like aren't colored, and some of them
Yes.
are gray.
Yes,
So we
exactly.
need to know where would they be if we looked up.
Excellent. Okay. And can we listen to Noura again? Yalla, Noura. This is the idea. This is the whole idea. Okay. So we have some side. Yalla, repeat, yeah.
There's some bold lines on the side.
Like this.
Yes, and there's lines that aren't colored.
Yes. And
this slide, there's a line that has like two lines but isn't colored
yes,
in between.
exactly. Yes.
So
it's all about
when we
this
look
one.
from above, we should know where would they be.
Exactly. Exactly, Anura. Okay. Exactly, Anura. Osama, do you have anything? I don't want the answer, please. Okay. I want you to think about for the next time. Okay, Osama.
I feel
Not
like
just. Let's. Yalla.
I feel like if there's like when we look from another side, the answer is gonna be different. I don't know.
Of course. You can look from the left or the right, from above, from below, from east, from west. Okay, it's gonna be different. So we have here in this case, we must look from what? From above. Okay, you should look from there. You should look from there, for example. Okay, but this is for the next time. Okay, but I repeat, I don't want that. For example, Noura say A, Maha say B, Abdurrahman say C. I want why you choose A, why you choose B, why you choose C or D or E. Okay? Yeah. Let's continue our work. Dima, do you have anything? You are raising your hand. Okay. To the next one. Yeah, this is the question number 14. Just 1 minute. Okay, now. Yeah. I want to give you 2 minutes, okay, to read the given. Then we start. Okay? We have this, the first expression, the first sentences. This is the first one. The second one from here, with, for example, with bread. This is the second. And finally, the question. Oh, no, not the question. We have another idea. So here we have 3 information, 3 idea, and the final question is here. Okay? You must always do that. Okay? Okay, Nora, you are raising your hand, but we want to. Nora,
I want to ask a question.
Yalla. You can ask, of course, Nora.
Is the question talking about ratios?
I think that, yeah. It's about fraction, ratio, proportional.
Yes.
Not proportional, it's equal, but it's about ratio. Okay? This is how we use the math in our real life. Okay, this is, for example, an example, okay, on number of students who can, for example, swim, okay, or ride horses. Layan and Minna, I think Minna, okay. Layan, I think this is the first time. Yeah, let's hear Layan.
Okay, so do I read the question?
Yes.
Okay. So every in a class either swims or rides a horse. 3/5 of the class swims and 3/5 rides horses. 5 pupils both swims and rides horses. How many pupils are in class? So first of all, 3/5 plus 3/5, it's gonna give us 6/5. And then if we divide, it's gonna give us 1/5. And then 5, we're gonna multiply it with 1/5, and it's gonna give us 25.
5 times what?
1/5. So if we multiply 3/5 times 3/5, if we add them 3/5, it's gonna give us 6/5, which is equal to 1/5. And if we multiply it by 5, it's gonna give us 25.5, I think. So the nearest thing is 25.
Okay, but it's not here about approximately. Okay, but a great idea. Okay, this is a great idea here. Okay, but our answer must not be okay approximately, because here, ya Layan, we have yani, the number that we must discover is how many students or couples, okay, do we have? Okay, so we cannot have, for example, 25 student and the half student, or 0.5 or 0.4. Okay, it must be an integer number, natural number, not integer number. It must be positive number. Okay, طيب. Okay, thank you, Layan. My question is, who can explain to me how Layan has think to solve this problem? Of course, not Layan. Student, not Layan.
What is the question again?
You can read the question. Okay. My question is, who can explain to me the method that Layan have used to solve this question? She add 3/5 plus 3/5, which is equal to 6/5. Then she write it as a mixed number. Then she multiply 5 times 1.1/5. But she tell me that her answer is maybe 25 approximately points or dots. .2 or .3. Yeah, just 1 minute, Noura, because I want a new student. I want all the students share with us.
I'm just gonna try to solve it on a paper.
Okay, yeah, of course. Because all of us must have a paper, calculator, and pen to solve any question of this competition or this session. Yellow, Noura, just 1 minute. Okay, we have Minna also. We have Munira also. Great, we have 3 students until now. Okay.
Mr.
Yes, Nora.
I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah, they ask how many. So can is Layan solving correct? Because
correct idea. But in the final, in this part, she have some mistake, maybe a little mistake. But I think that she got the right answer. I think.
Okay, because I thought you can multiply it. Because,
yeah, we must multiply. Yeah, we must multiply.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's hear Munira. Can we hear Munira? Munira, you want to?
Hello.
Hello, Munira. Yalla.
Okay. So how he did it? So how she did it? So at the beginning it says 3/5 of the class swim. So 3/5 plus 3/5 of the class ride horses. So 3/5 swim and 3/5 ride horses. So we add them together. There's echo. Oh, okay. Okay. So we add them together. It will be 6/5, and 6/5 isn't it isn't like an improper fraction. So we add 1 in the side and 1/5. So then it says 5 pupils both swim. So we have to multiply it with 5. We have to multiply each one of them. We have to multiply each one of the numbers with 5. So it will be 5 with 1, 5, 5 with the other one, 5, and then 5 with the 5 to be 25. So this is how she got the answer.
Yes. Yalla. Thank you, Munira. Yalla. Any idea? Any new idea? Layan, do you have anything? I'm gonna hear you some. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, Layan, do you have anything?
1/5. We're gonna see how many 5s are in 1/5.
This is the great idea. Okay, excellent.
5 is equal to 25.
Excellent. This is the idea. Excellent. Osama.
Yeah.
Yalla. What do you have now?
No, I don't have anything.
Okay. Yalla. Let's repeat now this part. Excellent. Okay, so let's start from here. Okay. So we have 3.5, 3/5 plus 3/5 gonna be 6/5. Okay, but the number of all students, it's always equal to 1 as a ratio. What does mean a ratio? Like 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 10 over 20, 7 over, this is a ratio, like a fraction. Okay, the whole number must be 5 over 5. Okay, the number of all the students in this class. Okay, but if we add 3 over 5 plus 3 over 5, it's gonna be 6 over 5. It means, okay, this number is greater than 1. Why? Because we have the student, okay, 2, 3, I don't know how many students, okay, they swim, and in the same time they ride a horse. How many students are or have two, for example, let's say like talents, for example, they like to ride the horses and they like to swim. And the given, they say that that we have 5 students both swim and ride horses. So we must we must subtract 6 over 5 minus 5 over 5, which is equal to 1 over 5. This 1 over 5 is the ratio of of number of students, okay, who love swim and ride horses. So how we find the number of students? We multiply 5 by the inverse ratio, 5 over 1, which is equal to 25. Okay, if we, for example, if we say we have 7 students, okay, and the fraction is 2 over 3. So 7 students is represented as what? 2 over 3. How we know the number? You only multiply 7 times 3 over what? Over 2. Okay, but let's make it, for example, here 8. So we can have a natural number. So if I say, pay attention to this part. If I say that 8 students, okay, which is equal to 2 over 3, 2/3 as a ratio. How you know what the total number, total student, any object? Okay, so if the 8 was 2 over 3 from, I don't know, any number of student, of car, of anything, if you want to know the total number, we must multiply 8 by the inverse function, inverse fraction. So it's gonna be 8 times 3, 24, 24 over 12 over 2, which is equal to what? To 12. If I say another example, if I say to you, we have, for example, 12 students, okay, that have a ratio, let's see, 4 over 5. Okay, let's see, for example, 12 students, which is equal to 4 over 5. If you want to know the total number, you must multiply 12 by what? To 15. Okay, let's see if you have any question here. Munira, Osama, you are raising your hand. You too. Yeah, Osama.
I am. The first I wanted to ask, like, when you 6 over 5 minus 5 over 5, I mean, 5 over 5 should be 5 over 1, or...
No. You must subtract here, Osama, 6 over 5 minus 1. The 1, it means the 100 as a percentage. It means 1 over 1 or 2 over 2 or 5 over 5 as a ratio. Hala, why I choose here 5 over 5? Because, Osama, the denominator here is what? Is 5. If the denominator was 3 or 4 or 10, I'm gonna what? I'm gonna choose 3 over 3, 4 over 4, or 10 over 10. Okay?
No,
so we choose
like what I'm asking about is now 6 over 5, I know we got it from up, but when you minus from the 5 pupil.
Not no. When you write as a fraction, you cannot talk about people. You say the percentage, for example, or the ratio of the students who love, for example, swimming and riding the horses, okay, is equal to 1/5. Because you cannot say that 1/5 the number of students. You say the ratio like the percentage. Okay?
No, I'm talking about like 6/5. We minus
Yes,
it from 5/5. From
okay.
where we get over 5?
Yeah, I tell you, you must always subtract the fraction that you have from -1, from 1. Okay, if you have another exercise, yeah, Osama. Okay, you got, for example, 5/8. You must subtract 5/8 or not 5/8, of course, because you must have, yeah, Osama, a fraction bigger than 1, greater than 1. So I must give you an example that in the fraction we have the numerator greater than denominator 4. Let's see if I give you, for example, 8/7. You must subtract this fraction from what, ya Osama? The denominator is what, ya Osama, here? Is equal to what?
7.
7. So you can make it 7/7. If you got, for example, 9/5, like this one, not the same. You must subtract from what?
From 5/5.
Exactly. It's always this case.
So is it important like we should minus 1?
Yeah, Smaima, I say, Osama, I say you must subtract from what? From -1. What? Because the one is the one who love only riding horses, or who love the both, for example, swimming and riding horses. Okay? It's always one. You can make it one, Osama. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Any question? Any missing idea? You can ask. Yeah. Let's go. Osama, you're still raising your hand, okay? Yeah.
I lower it.
Okay. Let's go to the next one. Yeah. Just 1 minute, if I can move this. Oh, I cannot move it. Okay. Yeah. 2 or 3 minutes, or let's give you maybe 5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, I want from the other student, Dima, to Abdul Rahman, Ala, Al-Ala, I don't know, Jude, Layan, Maha, Minna, Osama, of course, Muhammad. I didn't hear your voice until now. Munira?
Hello, Master. So, I think the answer is B.
Okay, wait. Munira, just 1 minute,
Yeah.
okay? You got the answer, just wait, okay? Because I want from the others that solved this question, okay?
Okay.
Okay, but I'm gonna ask you the first student, okay? Inshallah. Yalla, just wait. This part also, let's make it like this. This is the first part. This is number 1. This is the second. The third idea, no. This is the question, no. This is the third one. And the question is about perimeter. We have only until now Munira and Noura. Yalla, we want new students. Also, okay.
I have a question.
Okay.
In this question, do we have to like multiply and divide?
I don't know. I don't know. You must discover by yourself. Okay.
Am I close?
Maybe. Yeah. Let's hear Munira. Of course, Munira, you must read the question. Let me erase everything here. Just 1 minute. Which one? Just 1 minute.
Okay. Wait, can I read the question but without the steps, because I'm not sure of mine. I just thought about it.
Don't worry. It's not about always the right or the correct answer. Okay, it's about the whole idea, how you think. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Sarah's garden has a shape shown. Both the sides are either parallel or perpendicular to each other. Some of the dimensions are shown in the diagram. What is the perimeter of Sarah's garden?
okay. Do you know what the parameter? Parameter. Munira, what does mean parameter?
The perimeter. It is like what is like the inside. What is the inside? I don't know the.
Not the area. This is the area. If you talk about this, okay, this all the space here is called what? It's called area. We want the area here. We find the what perimeter. What does mean perimeter? Perimeter. Just 1 minute. 1 minute, Munira. I will call this one A, B, C, D, E, each corner. Okay. F, G, and what? And the final one, and H. Our parameter, yeah, Munira, is AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HA.
Yeah.
Okay? Yes, exactly. Okay? Any missing idea until now from the others? Okay? Continue with Munira. Any question about this part? I don't want any answer. Okay? Right. Yalla Munira. Continue now.
Okay. So hello, do you hear me, mister?
What?
Okay, so what we do is that so we multiply 4 with 5.
You multiply 4 with 5. Okay, yeah. But why? Why you multiply?
Because because if we need the answer, we need to multiply 4 with 5 and then add it. We have to multiply 2 numbers and then add, I think.
No, it's not. It's not idea. It's not clear. When you are about to, for example, find the area, okay, because the rule of perimeter in a triangle or quadrilateral or polygon or any object, any geometric object, it's only about boundary. Okay, it's only about the
what?
A to A.
Sir, I don't.
Okay, it's about what? Yalla. Nora.
But okay.
I don't understand the first step.
Yalla, Nora, Munira, she say that we must multiply 5 times 4. It's not a great idea. It's not a clear idea because when you multiply 2 sides, okay, you calculate, yeah, Nora, the area between, for example, this one and this one. In our question here, yeah, Nora, is about what? Perimeter. How to find perimeter? Okay, I make an annotation on this figure. I call this one A, the other one B, C to H. Okay? So
Yes, this is
when
what
I say
this part.
this part, I call this corner A, the second corner B, the third corner C, D, E, F, G, and H. Okay, Nora, because why? Why? Because I want to find the perimeter. When I say perimeter, it means you must add all the side together. You must start from AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HA. This is the perimeter, Yanura. Okay, in every, for example, if I give you like this, if I give you Yanura, for example, this shape, I don't know what is it is. It's not, for example, triangle or any quadrilateral like this. Okay. And I give you, this is 3 centimeter, 5, 7, 2, 4, for example, 2. Okay. How we find the parameter of this one? You have only to add 3 plus 5.
5.
Exactly.
2.
Exactly.
But we don't know the question. We don't know the.
Of course, this is my.
Mister, we don't know.
Yes, Nora, this is about that you don't know all the side, but you must find the parameter. Okay?
So
this is the idea here.
But how?
Side then divide.
Yeah. But Nora, I want to continue with Munira, please. Okay?
Okay.
No, wait. How do we figure out what are the sides are? Like, what is size H and what is side D and what is side E?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You can call B, C, D, E, F, G, H, but it's still gonna be, the perimeter must be equal to A, B, B, C, C, D. Okay? Who was talking? Munira?
Yeah.
Yeah, Munira, look to the figure. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna write from where do you want to start? Which corner?
With
this
the
one?
5. No, with 5.
With 5. From here, A?
Yeah.
Okay, for example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Okay, I didn't change the parameter. Okay, Munira? Okay, let's look to the figure. AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH. It's the same one. You can start by any corner. It doesn't matter. Okay?
Okay. So
it's about to know all the side to find our solution. Yeah.
So AB, we add them to AB 3, and then BC it will be 5 because it is. Oh
Okay.
no, it will not be 5 because it is not. Yeah, it is not parallel with the one in front of
Yes,
it.
exactly. Okay, pay attention to this part. Munira say that BC equal to 5. Then she discovered that no, BC not equal to 5 because 5 from here to here. But with BC we have the distance from B to C. It's not the same length. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay, so A to B, and then how do I figure it out? Do I just put any random number?
I don't know.
Yalla. I think B is 6 because
B is okay.
6.
Okay, look. I'm gonna help you. Munira, I don't know CD or EF or GH. Okay?
Yeah.
Do you know the length of the side CD, EF, and GH? Type. Let's make it like this. Okay? CD. Okay?
Yeah.
This is EF. And the final one is what?
H.
GH. Okay? Type.
Yeah.
if I move, look to this step. If I move CD to this part, then I move EF to this part, then I move HG to this part. Okay?
1, 1, 1.
No. I don't know. Okay, because this part GH, it's not equal to CD, for example.
Oh.
Okay, but I know that the sum of the 3, 1, it's equal to what? To 3.
What?
Exactly. If I tell you, for example, me, you, and Noura have 3 riyal. Okay, for example, Osama cannot say that I have 1 riyal and you 1 riyal and Noura 1 riyal. Maybe I have half a riyal and you have 1.5 and Noura have 1 riyal. So it can be the same part. But if we add the sum of the 3 sides, it's gonna be the same one as AB. Okay? So now we have what, yeah, Noura? We know that we must add 5 plus 3
3 plus 4.
plus 4 plus what? Plus another what? Another 3. This is 3.
Why another 3?
Because H, GH, EF, and CD, the sum of 3, this side, the sum of 3 sides is equal to AB. Okay? When I make a translation between them, I find the same side. Yalla, again. Okay, Noura, Osama.
But if we do that, the answer will be 15. And
No, wait. No, wait. We have now, we must use the side of FG and BC because, Monira, when we say parameter, it means we must add all the side. Now, until now, I add what? I add with blue AB, BC, I don't know BC, CD plus EF plus GH. I'm gonna write it with here with the blue 1. So it's gonna be plus 3. Plus I have the length of HA, which is equal to 5. Okay, so now we have to find what? Not okay, 5. I write 5. Now we must to know the length of DE and the length of what? Of FG. Yalla, who know how to find the sides DE and FG? Munira, of course, don't be, just 1 minute. Munira, don't be worried that you have not got the right answer, okay? Okay, it's ordinary. Don't worry about that. We're here to learn how to think. We have 12 sessions, and I think at the end of the 12th session, it's gonna be better than the first or the second time, okay? Yeah. How we know that the length? How we know the length of what? Of E, not ED, BC and FG. Any idea?
Sir, I think we know DC because we added DC and EF and GH together. They gave us 3.
Yeah, but I want BC. I want BC and what? Not BC. Okay, I want DE and FG. Osama. Okay, so BC, I have BC also. I want DE and FG.
So how do you get
I don't
BC?
know.
BC is 6.
BC. Neither BC, of course.
DE is 4.
Yeah. Okay. So DE is 4. So we must know BC and FG. Okay, thank you, Osama.
I think Mr. BC is 6.
BC, is it 4?
Not 5. It's not 5. No, it's not 5. If you look CH and BC, it's not equal.
No,
BC.
Wait, one by one.
7.
Guys, 1 by 1. Okay, let's hear Noura.
Uh,
wait.
is
How many
B-
people? يلا.
Is BC 4?
Okay, just okay. 4 BC 4? No, it's not 4.
No. I mean 4 plus 3. Like,
No, not 4 plus 3. Let's me hear Abdurrahman Turkestani.
BC, I think it's 6, and FG, I think that's a 3.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
I
Yalla.
wanted to ask you that from a long time ago. How do we know? Because when I wanted to ask you, you were busy with Manila.
Okay. About what, Noura? About?
How to find the DC and AB and things like that.
Okay. Noura, another one. Pay attention to this part. This is DC, okay? I'm gonna make a translation to this one. I don't know the length of DC, okay? I know that the length of DC is the red line, okay? This is the red line, okay? I'm gonna make a translation to AB. The same thing for EF and the same thing for HG. So I found that if I add CD plus EF plus GH, it's gonna be what? How
3.
many? 3.
3.
Okay, you got the idea.
Okay.
Okay. Let's give you this one as a homework for the next time, but I'm gonna help you. It's the same idea. Minna, do you have anything, Minna? Minna?
No, I was just trying to find it, but I think it's C or D, 24 or 25.
I don't, Minna, it's not about to give me the answers. Okay?
No, I'm
I
not
want,
guessing. I'm
oh,
trying.
yeah, okay, great. So, I want, okay, you must use the same idea that I use in this part to find F, G, and BC for the next time, not now. I don't want any answers now. Okay? So I want from you to find the parameter of all the diagram. Now we have only two missing side, FG and what and BC. You must use the same idea that I use for CD, EF, and GH. Okay?
Yeah, wait, sir. I think that's
Okay.
we could only
For the next time, okay? Let's give the other student the time for thinking and finding our answers, okay?
No, I feel like there's a mental way without doing the steps.
Okay, maybe for the next time I can hear you, inshallah, and I ask you how you find this answers, okay? Or your answer, inshallah.
Inshallah.
يلا يعطيكم العافية.
Right now, what is
What?
Goodbye, mister. Have a nice
Goodbye.
day.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Did you find the answer? Right now, what is the answer for the question?
You have to figure it out.
Okay, yes, you must think about this one. Okay, maybe for the next